Right now, while you're watching this, somewhere on your computer, there's a task sitting in a tab you haven't actually closed and finished. Maybe you want to build bonus pages, make videos to promote a product, or reach out to hundreds of prospects with personalized emails, or create video thumbnails, design a sales page, and a mile-long to-do list, which you never really get to finish. The thing is, you're not alone in this. A lot of people I talk with do this every single day. They open ChatGPT, they ask it for help, it gives them an answer, a draft, a list, or here's how you could do this. Then they get to it. They copy it somewhere, they open the 7 different tabs it told them to open, and they download the files. They rename them, they paste them into the report, and this just keeps on going. But look, this is not how you should run your life. Every AI tool you've used so far, I'm talking about the chatbots, the co-pilots, the AI agents, they hand you an output and walk away. The moment the real work starts, you're back to being the employee in your own business. See, a typical internet marketer loses 15 to 25 hours a week to work that has to happen but doesn't get you actually paid. I'm talking about researching, downloading, formatting, assembling, and all the stuff that really doesn't put money in your pocket but still needs to get done. And if you've ever tried to fix that with automation, you already know why it is so difficult. First, you need an AI that actually finishes things. Then you need it inside your real accounts, your real Chrome, your real logins, securely and privately without being hacked. Then you need things actually done on your computer. Files organized, finances accounted for, videos created, everything done, but only expensive solutions are capable of that right now. And then finally, you're still left hiring a VA to do what's left. So you spend $800 to $3,000 a month for someone who's still slower than you would like. That's the final wall, one that will break your bank. A different kind of AI removes all these problems. We are now inside the agentic AI era. AI that acts, plans the steps, does them, and comes back when the job is actually done. Hi, I'm Neil Napier, and I've spent 13 years building software products, and the one thing I watch waste more hours than anything else is smart people doing dumb, repetitive computer work that a machine should already be able to do. Meet Odin AI. The desktop AI that lives on your computer takes one command from your phone and delivers finished work end to end, securely and safely. Here's all you need to do. Press a hotkey on your computer or your phone, say what you need, and walk away. Odin sees your screen, plans the steps, opens the tabs, does the research, works inside your real apps and your real logins, and hands you back a finished result. Not advice, not a draft, the actual thing done from start to finish. Here's what that looks like in practice. This is one real type of task people are handing Odin every day. A dropshipper needed 15 suppliers for one product, each with MOQ under 100 units, compared on price and shipping time. The old way is an afternoon of opening tabs and doing a lot of research. Instead, he tells Odin, find me 15 suppliers for this product with MOQ under 100 units and build a comparison table with price, MOQ, and shipping time. Odin reads the request, opens the browser, searches, cross-checks each listing, and builds the spreadsheet named, saved, sitting on their desktop. No tab left open, no copy pasting, no manual research required. Now that's not a one-off trick. It's the same pattern whether the task is a client proposal built from a URL, a week of short-form clips pulled from one recording, or a P&L built from a stack of bank statements. Odin can even handle complex software you cannot figure out with and in front of you. Think of Odin as an affordable but highly qualified and intelligent virtual assistant that works with you every step of the way. It heeds your command, finishes what you started, and delivers results. Here's exactly how Odin works. Step 1, you press the hotkey and speak or text it from your phone. Odin hears you, sees your screen, and understands what you're working on with full context. Step 2. Odin goes to work. It plans the steps, does the web research, downloads whatever it needs to, and works inside your real apps, on your computer, and on your Chrome with your real logins to actually complete the task like you would, securely with proper permissions. Step 3, you get a finished result. The spreadsheet's filled up, the files are downloaded and named. Odin talks back to tell you that it's done, you review, and you move on to the next thing. And when you get Odin AI, here's what's included in the deal today. The desktop app, which is native on both Mac and Windows. One keystroke away with a push-to-talk hotkey and a natural voice that talks back to you. You get 3 modes. Guide mode walks you through everything on screen. Act mode takes the keyboard and does everything for you hands-free. And background agent mode runs the whole task while you walk away or just do whatever else you want to do on your computer. You also are able to do phone control via Telegram. You can fire off a command from the school pickup line and the finished file is waiting for you when you get home. Odin has real web access, your real Chrome, your real logins, no re-authenticating, no remote browser holding your passwords. Memory and shortcut learning. It remembers you between sessions and gets faster the more you use it. Plus, there is built-in safety, a one-key stop auto pause the moment you touch the mouse, no passwords or card details are ever typed out, and a confirmation before anything irreversible is done. So you have full security with Odin. Now listen up, besides all the features that I've talked about here, this is why Odin is the best in the market. The value is in magic money. It's reclaimed hours plus a license that lets you sell what Odin produces. You can free up even 10 hours a week and point them at billable work at a modest $50 an hour, and that's $2,000 a month. You can free up 15 to 20 and take the extra clients you couldn't fit before, and that puts $3,000 to $5,000 a month in your pocket. Your results will depend, of course, on how you put the hours to use, so make sure you use Odin properly. And look, people are already doing exactly that. Jen Glantz is earning roughly $6,300 a month, largely passively by putting AI tools to work across content and digital products. Dana Snyder built an AI agent loaded with her own consulting methodology and can now reach the roughly 93% of organizations in a market she could never personally serve before. All of this without hiring a team, just letting AI do the work from start to finish. Now, to make this worth grabbing today, here's what's stacked on top of this deal. Bonus number 1. AI for productivity video upgrade. This will allow you to harness AI to get more done in less time. This video course shows you how to use the best AI tools to plan strategically, slash your workload, and make every task feel effortless. Bonus number 2. 4-hour CEO operating system. This is the weekly framework for running a 6-figure online business in 4 focus hours a day. This includes a list of 50 tasks you can delegate or automate immediately, a Notion dashboard template, and a 90-day roadmap for getting out of daily execution. Bonus number 3, the AI tool stack optimizer. All you have to do with this is enter your monthly budget, business model, and main goals to get recommended AI tool stack ranked by ROI. This cuts through tool overwhelm and shows exactly what you need to prioritize, what to drop, and what to add as you scale. And the cool thing, of course, is that Odin's going to save you a lot of money moving forward. Now, here's what all of this costs. To replicate this the traditional way, a researcher, a VA, separate tools for every task, you're looking at hundreds of dollars in spending a month before you've finished a single project. Odin AI license is a one-time purchase, not a subscription. You just pay once. And this is the launch pricing. When the timer hits 0, the price moves up and it shifts to a subscription model after launch. So go ahead and lock in because this is the lowest the price will ever be. Try it for full 14 days, put real tasks on it. If it doesn't save you real hours and feels like the most capable assistant that you've ever had, send one message and get every penny back. No questions, no hoops. Look, right now on your computer, there's a task you keep putting off. A spreadsheet, a report, a list you haven't built yet. The first people who ran ads, who built websites, who took social media seriously, they didn't win because they were smarter. They won because they were early. This is the moment for you, for AI that actually finishes the job. So click the button below, press that hotkey, give it a task, walk away. Odin is the virtual assistant you've always wished you had but couldn't afford, and now finally you can.